nature-loving moms and forest approach educators. I'm April Murray, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Are you ready to embark on an extraordinary journey of nature-based education? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I want to introduce to you our Nature Lab workshop, where we'll dive deep into the world of forest school and uncover the secrets to crafting an epic outdoor learning program. Get ready to unlock the power of nature-based education and create an extraordinary learning experience for your children. In the Nature Lab workshop, we believe that children thrive when they connect with the wonders of nature. That's why we're here to guide and inspire you on this transformative journey. Let me give you a glimpse of what you'll discover in this workshop. First, we'll explore the forest school essentials. You'll master the philosophy and principles of forest school, understanding how education and learning truly happens in nature. We'll draw insights from the Essential Guide to Forest School, equipping you with the knowledge to create a truly authentic learning experience. Next, we'll dive into the designing the perfect rhythm for your forest school. We'll explore the importance of starting and ending the day outside. And together, we'll craft a daily schedule that blends academic subjects, STEM quests, unstructured play, and moments of reflection. Get ready to create a thriving forest school experience. Safety is a paramount when it comes to outdoor learning. In Nature Lab, we'll navigate the outdoors with confidence. We'll embrace nature's wonders safely by learning essential knowledge about snake, bug, and tick safety in nature. You'll feel grounded and secure in your chosen outdoor space, ensuring a safe and enriching experience for everyone. Let's talk about furnishing success. We'll guide you in setting up a nature-inspired, child-centered learning space. Discover the importance of creating an environment that reflects the wonders of the natural world and supports children's exploration and curiosity. With our recommended supplies and furniture, you'll create a truly inspiring setting for your forest school. So, supporting unstructured play is key to unlocking children's full potential. In the Nature Lab, we'll provide you with practical tips and strategies to foster open-ended, unstructured play. We'll explore the role of observation, providing resources and materials, and creating a safe and stimulating play environment. Get ready to ignite the imagination and creativity of your young learners. Now, let's talk about embracing risk and growth. We'll dive into the world of risky play, tree climbing, and muddy adventures. Discover the right tools for a forest school and learn to use fire safely with young children. We'll empower you to create an environment where children can experience the thrill of exploration while staying safe and supported. It's time to design an innovative and nature-based curriculum. We'll show you how to integrate hands-on, experiential learning activities that captivate young minds, connect academic subjects with social, emotional learning, and personal growth. Make real-world connections that ignite curiosity and inspire a lifelong love for learning. Let's explore the research outcomes of nature and greenery exposure. Discover the positive effects of nature on children's well-being, sensory memory, and decision-making skills. We'll dive into the University of Kent research study, which unveils the power of nature in enhancing children's overall development. Finding your market and effectively communicating the benefits of your Nature Lab program is crucial. We'll guide you in assessing the needs of your local community, school, or center. You'll strategize ways to fulfill those needs with your Nature Play program, ensuring its success and impact. Parents, principals, and directors will be very eager to join your Nature Lab adventure. Lastly, we'll focus on program worth and valuing yourself. You'll gain the steps to understand the value of your program without undervaluing yourself. Recognize the impact and benefits of your Nature Lab program, and build confidence in promoting and pricing your program. You're creating something truly extraordinary, and it's time to embrace your worth. Are you ready to embark on this epic adventure of transforming education through nature-based learning? Enroll in our Nature Lab workshop today and take the first step towards becoming a nature lab expert. Let's unleash the power of nature in education and create an extraordinary learning experience that nurtures the whole child. I can't wait to see you inside the Nature Lab workshop. Together, let's craft an epic outdoor forest school that inspires and empowers the next generation of nature-loving learners. Join us now and let the journey begin.